changing mixed fractions to improper fractions in few steps. So we have 2 whole number, 2 over 5. What do? First, multiply the denominator by the whole number. You can have something like this so that you have times. And then second step, you go this way and add your answer. 5 times 2 is 10. So we have 10 plus the numerator 2. So your answer will be 12. The denominator always remains the same. So you have 5. Another example, you have 41 whole number, 1 out of 3. What does this become? Multiply the denominator by the whole number times. So 3 times 41 is 123. And then you add that to 1. So 123 plus 1, which is the numerator. Remember that the denominator remains the same, so it's going to be 3. And then you have 123, plus 1 gives us 124 over 3. This works no matter how big the whole number is or whatever part of the fraction is.